You download Survey 123, log in using your ArcGIS online account, and you can download Survey from here. Download the first one, Downtown Atlanta Walkability Survey, which is the survey I created for this project. And then you can open it, click Collect, and the first question asks for your location. If you're collecting data on site, it should be automatic, but if you're sitting at home and watching Google Street View, you have to manually find the location on the map. This is just an example that I created for demonstration of this app. The rest of the survey is basically an assortment of different types of questions that you may want to use for your data collection, like a text entry for qualitative information, a number entry, a reading question, and date and time, which should populate automatically. And the last question allows you to take a picture and attach it to the survey. After you complete one observation, you can choose to send it immediately or you can save it in Outbox. If you plan on measuring multiple street segments, you can save them for now and later send them together. So I'm saving my response in the Outbox, and now I can click into the Outbox to see the data I've collected. I have one observation. I can either open and edit it, or I can view all my data points on the map. When I'm done, I can send all the records in the Outbox. Now I have a box called Sent with the data points that I have submitted. When you're collecting data, you can also leave the incomplete observation in Draft. You can visit those records later in the Drafts box and similarly open and complete it.